Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on Vivo Y29. If you're using Vivo Y29 and now you want to hide your apps, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings, then scroll down and look for password and security, tap on it, and here just scroll down and you will get the app encryption option. Here's that, just tap on it, then verify yourself, then select app hiding. And here you can easily hide your apps if you want. As I'm going to hide this one, so just enable the setting, and here I have already enabled for this one. Now let's see how can we view our hidden apps. Here's the gesture. You just have to swipe up with two fingers on the home screen to view hidden apps. So go back, now swipe up with two fingers. Just swipe up and you will get that in this type interface. Just verify yourself and you will get your hidden apps here. So that's how you can easily hide apps on Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.